What's up, all future field service engineers? We're looking for individuals that love to know how things work, have a ton of grit, take initiative. If you have those qualities, you're probably right up our alley.
I didn't come from this industry, I didn't grow up in this industry, but to be successful at Service Express, we hire the will and teach the skill.
I'm a 33-year veteran of IT. I've worked for a couple of companies, and by far, this company is a lot different. We talk about culture all the time, but not only they talk about it, but they deliver it.
There's a lot of transparency. The culture, the way it's set up is that you have a voice, you have a feedback that people value.
Tremendous people, tremendous organization. Everybody feels like they're on the same team, going the same place, helping each other out. So by far, it's I hate to use the word culture because it almost seems overused, but it's the culture. It's in our DNA, the way we work.
So our technical training is all done in-house. So we have courses on any type of piece of equipment that we may maintain.
There's certain classes that every engineer goes through. We have classes such as audits. We do customer service training on a monthly basis.
We have a support knowledge base. We also have an escalation process that we go through. If an engineer is on site and having an issue, they can reach out to our FTO, our support team.
We have a lot of individuals that may put stuff on their vision where they want to be in the future. So it's our job as leaders and as a company to help them get there.
I've had engineers go to the sales side, go to FTO, managers. I mean, there's a lot of different paths that engineers can go to.
This is the best job I've ever had. And if it was up to me, I wish I had done it 20 years ago.